Toyota Land Cruiser versus Scorpio in full comparison. Most people get this wrong by thinking the Land Cruiser and Scorpio N are the same type of SUV. The surprising truth is that while both are capable off-road, they cater to different needs. The Toyota Land Cruiser focuses on durability, comfort, and long-range travel. Its 4.5-litre or diesel engine offers torque for heavy loads and towing. Interiors are plush, tech is modern, and off-road features like crawl control and multi-terrain select make it capable in extreme conditions. The Scorpio N is lighter, more agile, and emphasizes urban versatility alongside off-road capability. Its turbocharged petrol or diesel engines provide respectable power, and the new suspension makes it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Tech features are good, though interiors are less premium than the Land Cruiser. Fuel efficiency favours the Scorpio N, while the Land Cruiser offers unmatched reliability and resale value. You won't believe how much comfort and tech differences impact long-distance trips versus city driving. In conclusion, choose the Land Cruiser for heavy-duty off-roading, comfort, and long-term reliability. Opt for the Scorpio N for a budget-friendly, agile sub with decent off-road capability. Your choice depends on priorities between luxury, power, and maneuverability.